Another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. And we're lucky we got light finally. The daylight savings time isn't messing with us anymore because it's still pretty early. It's only like 6 o'clock or something, but we still got to get going quick. Why?
Because the British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks, they come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. So me and Teddy are going to get going down the road here, and we'll get back with everybody if we get something good. So we've reached the time of year that all the snowbirds are gone. You can see nobody's out, no cars, nobody on the sidewalk. So hopefully we'll get some good stuff. Hopefully not everybody's out of town. We're approaching the first neighborhood here, we'll see. Okay, here's a whole pile of Schefflera. There's some Croton in there, and looks like some kind of ground cover, like a boat lily or something like that. Let's we'll definitely save some of this Schefflera and some of these Croton cuttings, maybe even some of that little ground cover right there. I'm gonna hop out and have to help Teddy.
Oh wow!
All right, here's like a giant chunk of a Plumeria tree. I'm guessing it's probably this white and yellow one right here. There's no way of telling because there's no flowers on it, but we'll grab a little piece of it. It'll root from cuttings easy. All right, we just rolled up on like a whole can of snake plant here. That almost looks like a slightly different variety. Oh no, I don't know. That might be a slightly different variety than what we have.
Oh,
interesting.
wow,
It looks like there's roots on it too. We'll definitely save some of these from the trash. All right, we had to turn around because our competition right here already did this whole street, so we're gonna jump ahead of them and get to the next street. Okay, I don't know how, but Teddy spotted some Pothos in there. A little bit of Pothos vine. Excellent. Nice. We will definitely save that from the trash. So here's a giant orange or red bromeliad in this landscape debris pile here, and it looks pretty sorry, but yeah, it has a pup coming off of it. So try and get some roots with that. Yeah, we're gonna try and save that little pup. Look at these two right here. Yeah, I see you. They're just waiting to eat somebody's garden. I saw your little buddy too. Where'd he go?
Over there.
Yeah, we can see you.
They're all bunny stews.
Yeah, I know. They think because they're still, we can't see you, but we can see you. Yep, that's right.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. So just look at this giant pile of striped bromeliads here. There's tons and tons of them. Holy cow, look at them all. We're definitely going to save some of these. You want to jump out and get some of those? Oh my gosh, this is a score. Okay, here's a stack of free pots right here. We're definitely not going to let those go in the trash. We can use as many pots as we can get. Teddy spotted some chunks of Spanish moss in there.
Real nice stuff too.
Yeah. Is it on a stick? Just pull it off the stick. Yeah, we'll hang it in our trees. Oh, it does look like nice stuff. Look at that. Nice. Holy cow, I think we just rolled up on the find of the day here. Look at that.
Huge pile of desert rose.
Oh my gosh, that one even has... So this, you can root from cuttings, but that even has a giant root ball on it. Holy cow. That's got to be like a 20-year-old plant right there. What a score. This has got to be the find of the day. We're definitely going to save all this stuff from the trash. All right, we made it back.
Yeah.
I was a little worried because of the noise the golf cart was making, but... And I have no clue what it could be because I've replaced just about every electrical component in it, but we made it back and we got something killer at the very end. We're gonna have to start with that because it's covering everything. What'd we get?
Desert rose.
Yeah, the desert rose.
Should we pull it out?
And these plants.
I mean, be real careful with them.
How old do you think that plant is?
I have no idea.
I mean, what would your guess be? I mean, it's got to be 15 years old, right? 10 years old. Easy. We got two of them too. It looked
That
like there was
one's
just one in the pile. This one's,
That one's amazing.
this
Two.
one's, you're
Yeah,
gonna have to
I
get
can
it
get
out.
it.
I can't do it.
There's 2 big ones and a lot of little.
It's like stuck in there. Here.
Oh, it's
stuck on
this
the-
right here.
You got
I
it?
got it.
There you go. All right. Oh my
This
gosh.
This
Look
one
at
has
that.
a lot of flowers on it, I think.
Oh yeah, there's some flowers right there.
Yeah, they're not open.
Yeah, they're not. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked. I can't believe we got this. So
And
the exciting thing,
I got every piece I could.
the exciting thing about this is that we can root these from cuttings. So they don't have to have roots. So we can actually make lots of plants out of it. All these little cuttings can be little desert rose plants. Holy cow, we got a ton of them, didn't we? There's a little one right here. Sweet.
Look at this piece.
Whoa, that's awesome.
And look at this one.
That's so cool. They're so cool. Oh my gosh. What a score. Holy cow. We have one that we rooted from cuttings down here, and it's doing pretty good. Where is it?
It's right here.
No, there's one right here. This was a cutting we got like, I don't know, a couple months ago. And it's doing fine. We had it in a pot for a while, and then we moved it there.
Yep.
All right, awesome. I think that was definitely the find of the day.
Yeah.
Here's another,
Fines.
here's another thing we found.
Oh yeah, we got some golf balls. Every time we find golf balls, there's a couple golf courses around us, so every time we find golf balls, Teddy collects them. All right, what else we got, kiddo?
Yeah.
Oh, we made a mess. Look at that. It was worth it.
Let's get the pots out.
It was worth it, but we made a mess. Oh yeah, so we got a stack of pots. We're not gonna let those go to the trash.
That's
we can
always good.
we can always use. I mean, look, we got like 7 of them or something. Sweet, and a pretty nice one. This is a nicer pot right here. It's like a real nice nursery pot.
Yeah.
And then we got a decorative pot. It's got a little damage, but that's all right. We can use it. All right, well,
Drainage.
Let's
Huh?
get
More drainage.
yeah, more drainage, yeah.
here.
Oh, nice.
Yep,
Little Spanish
yep.
rose.
Oh, I'm gonna need that because I got those orchids inside.
You gonna use it for a project?
Yeah. I wrap the orchids in it when I stick them in the trees.
Oh, gotcha. Yep. All right, cool.
Awesome.
So we got that. There was actually more of that, but it was hard to get out. It was like stuck. Like it was
Yeah.
stuck pretty good in the pile. So
Well, at least you got some.
Now let's
All right.
grab these bromeliads.
yeah, that okay. So this was probably
That's a good score.
yeah. They had a massive pile of them. We only got you can see. I don't know. I guess we got a lot of them, didn't we? Oh, there's some flowers on that one.
Yeah, this one's blooming. Look at that.
So
We have these already.
yeah,
'cause
we do.
They're blue. I think there's some right there.
Yeah, we do have
I don't
these
think they have
already.
spots,
And
though.
they're this is probably why the people tossed them. They flowered, and they probably have new ones coming up, and so they rip these out. But if we plant these in the ground, they will still shoot up more little pups. So really, the goal here is to plant this and hope for new pups, because this is pretty much a done plant right there, except for what's left in its root system.
Okay, let's get the rest of it out.
Are there more of them?
Yeah, there's
Oh
a
yeah,
lot.
there's tons.
I guess we
This
did get a
looks
lot
like a
of them.
different kind because this has stripes on it,
Hmm.
not spots.
Oh yeah, that one. No,
Oh, no,
I think it's the same one. Yeah.
I don't know. This one doesn't have any stripes right there. Or maybe it's just old.
Whoa,
You
we
know?
did get a lot of them.
There's
yeah.
more.
There's more?
Yeah. Oh, this is a different kind of bromeliad we got.
Oh, yep. Yep, that was the one that, this is what I'm talking about. If you scroll back in the video, this was coming off of a spent, huge bromeliad, that was just sitting on the side of the road. It was terrible looking, but this little pup will live.
Okay, so
Well, that's got to be the end of them, right?
there's more.
There's more?
This is Pothos.
Oh, yep,
pretty
we got,
sure
so
there's
yeah,
more.
we got some pothos. So if you're familiar with this, the leaves are pretty small right now, but the leaves get to be huge, especially when they start growing up cabbage
That
plants
one
and
has
stuff like
roots
that.
on it right
Yeah, it does
there.
have roots. So this will be a nice one to plant. We had the best luck when you curled it up in the pot to plant it. Remember?
Yeah, and I buried the whole thing.
Yeah. All right.
It's a little tricky.
Now the bromeliads. That's
All right. That's the whole stack of bromeliads. Okay.
Oh, look, this came along with this.
Yay, and some grass, some weeds. Just what we need. All right, here's some Plumeria. I think
Plumeria.
this was the yellow one, right, Ted?
Yeah. No, yellow light.
Yeah, they had a huge tree of it right behind where we got this. So we know that's the yellow variety. I think we have some of those.
Can I show you the?
We have some of those right here. What's that?
I want to show them this one.
Okay. Oh yeah. So here's one we found a couple weeks ago.
Oh,
It's just, I have it leaning up against a, you can see I have it leaning up against a pot over there. It's not even in the ground. And it flowered for us. It flowered for us just sitting there, leaning up against the pot. It shut off leaves and flowered for us. That is a tough plant.
Yeah.
I mean,
well, look at this.
what?
There's just, look at this crazy dragon.
Oh yeah. Oh, it looks happy in that pot. It's gonna need a bigger one.
Yeah, let's get back to our
All right, yeah. What we got?
Schefflera.
Schefflera. We get it every week. It grows fast, but
Let's get the snake plant.
it is easy. Is that on top?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the snake plant then.
I
So,
think
we got.
this might be a new variety.
That looks like a new variety.
Yeah, I know. That's
Or
what.
like maybe it was an indoor plant. I don't know.
No, they had too much of it to be an indoor plant. It looks like a different variety than what we have. Than
It
the
does.
common
Maybe that-
variety
It has
we
like
have.
white in it.
Yeah, we said the same thing when we found it. So I think it might be a different variety. It's a Dracaena. It's a variety of Dracaena.
Oh.
All right, cool. That was a find. New plant. Always stoked to get a new plant. All right, what else we got?
Now Schefflera.
Now we're gonna do Schefflera. All right. Like I was saying, Schefflera, we find it every week because it grows quickly, but you can root this from cuttings.
Is it Schefflera or Schefflera?
Schefflera. Yeah, Schefflera.
We probably won't grow it though.
Probably not. Not that one.
Croton.
Croton. Yep. Another one you can plant from cuttings. This is another one. Honestly, we probably won't try and root either. We just grab this to let everyone know, that you can plant this from cuttings. I do like Crotons though. They
They're
add such
so
a nice,
pretty.
yeah, such a
Yeah,
nice
but-
splash of color to the garden. All right, what is this? A boat lily?
Oh yeah.
Is that what it is?
This will be good in like
We already
a hanging
have
pot
this.
or something. Yeah.
Yeah. Got a big chunk of it though, big clump of it. There's a lot of this in the pile. I noticed it didn't like our cypress mulch very much. That
Yeah.
stuff. I did notice that. Is that all we got?
Seems like a lot of plants are
All right.
allergic to it.
What? Oh, what?
I don't like the cypress.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. All right. Well, so what are you guys most stoked about?
That.
The desert.
Yeah, I would say me too. What a score. And we don't have. I mean, we have that little one over there. Do we have another one?
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, how is that? We had a house here where we had a bunch of them, and we had to move. We didn't get a chance to move all the plants that we wanted to, unfortunately.
I didn't
so.
even know we had that one.
Yeah, we found that one like, I don't know, like I said, probably a couple months ago.
I remember exactly where we found it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Were you with us?
Yeah.
Oh, it must have been a while back then,
It
because
was.
it's been
That's
just
when we
me and
did all
Teddy
that.
for a while, so. All right, cool. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we found, just post down below. If you did enjoy the adventure, maybe you consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
I'm gonna hit you in the head with the golf.
Oh, he wouldn't do
That
that.
wouldn't
I
be
know
nice.
that. I know he wouldn't do that. But still, maybe you consider subscribing to our channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.